Shalom, shalom, shalom. I was doing a live broadcast and my network has problem. Today is day 2 of the challenge. They can hit to say if any pastor have power, he should come out. I'm taking the challenge and I'm waiting for Ekehit to come and heal people. I told you Ekehit to come with 5 native doctors. I will come alone. I'm at 100 in the Aradro. If Ekehit heal them, I will close my ministry in Anambra State, in anywhere, stop as a prophet. But if he cannot be able to do that, we'll go and burn his shrine. Ekehit, my power house, all my way. Share the telecast. Let us hear from the Nkato Gualo Sagore question. Iki. Share the telecast. My Bible film. Ekehit.
No one any of you. Stand the way can challenge Ekehit.
I will end your juju. Like the way I end your kid.
There's no any pastor. Now.
The one is ready to use you very soon.
Every pastor's now call themselves. Somebody to be called by God. Somebody to be called by God. Somebody call your phone.
Honestly, called by God. I want to prove to the whole world that Prophet David Yahweh called by God. I have 1.60 million angels. Power across milli. And I want to have it proven it. I want to prove it this time. And this time, okay, amazing good square. So you can pick a date. We are calling all the media, we are calling the government, Soludo, we are calling everybody. Let us test this power. Power. I have proved it before. More the power of Fukite. So I want to silence this Ekehit by proving to him that no power is an idol. By no power in Mame, no power in those nonsense on the Bugari. Nanki Bazoti, my picture back, my Lord choosing many people. Now, banana nonsense. But Nanki Bazua, Abagon Kitten, no, but this time, Ekehit, this is your end. Oh, my way. My Bible think and say, by la walk on and do it. You confirm on them, all the way to Cadibia, Karamado, Karamo, Ikado Narose, Ikado no court, Ikado no one. Remember that I have only one number +234 903 222 6076 0903 222 6076. Only an IR over the whole Anambra State without to the challenge. On the 25 and 25 will be healing, massive healing. So in case Ekehit fair for the challenge, he can come at People's Club for healing. It's day. We're not doing vigil this month. It's just day. So if you're having sickness, HIV, cancer, any kind of sickness, let us prove it now to the whole world as a power. I came with 1.60 million angels. If you're sick, HIV, fibroid, kidney problem, any kind of sickness, you'll be going to hospital, no solution. No hospital in the world can cure spiritual sickness. And Matthias who have been making mouth. I want to prove to him now. Matthias, I will prove it to you. If you want to put challenge, let us go to government and collect paper. If we cannot be able to cure people that have spiritual sickness, a Cruzo or Menana Church of Satan, you're making noise, making noise. It cannot do half of what I've done. Forgetting and I've healed thousands of people. Which hospital cannot cure? I've healed a medical doctor from America. I've healed a medical doctor from UK. I healed a medical doctor from Germany. Different, and he saw it. You do it. No, not see it. I'm here to tell you, I am endowed with power, spiritual healing. You're welcome to Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue worldwide. The most powerful altar in the world, 1.16 million angels. May God bless all my partners. Reason why I'm making this challenge is to still prove to you, as long as I'm still alive, I'm the one that defend Igbo from occultism and occultism. No pastor can take the glory. Nobody can take Ebuka Obi, all of them run away. I am the David Yahweh that stole, that fought all the kingdoms. And the Ungo fake Zion said, I want to come and blackmail me to take my glory. Which battle have Ebuka Obi fought? None. And when I fought to stand still, the challenge. He was making noise and shutting down. And one that fought Igbo religion when he was making noise. That boy and Millie challenging all the pastor, challenging anybody can go to water and come out, let us see. Nobody. And one that entered the water and killed the serpent and shut him down before they can be able to bury Gino Pope. Remember? I am still the same prophet who came. When Matthias is making noise, hey, pastor, is this a pastor? I told Matthias, who brought Naka Ghana in India. I am the one that make Matthias to shift. You can't mention my name because someone and Jenam Oramu. Or Dinaka, Matthias, our contribution over how many million of blood Naka Ghana in the he buried it there. He come and tell us about hospital. Why wouldn't your hospital save Ordinaka? Why wouldn't your men and save Ordinaka? And in Akosandi Igbo today in Wagego, he use Christianity because Jesus is fake. When you're collecting money from Christianity and everything, don't you know that Jesus is fake? That is another challenge. Listen, this challenge will be taking place in Eagle Square. So, Ekehit, gather 5 native doctors. Give me a date. Give me a date. My power and keep as well. One of Igbo land. They pray, they show. If he got 6 years in Ghana again. Because if you fail not to heal people, no kineto. Ekehit neko in anger. Neko chala na abayoko. Adama agwa nka tomorrow. Agwa last time. You're too small for me to tell. Maybe it's like I say, Pastor, I want to prove to the whole world that I am the only prophet that called by God. Even if he said nobody called by God, I want to prove it. That's why I'm taking the challenge. The time of Elijah came out and challenged the prophet of Baals. You're too small. Apo Koko with 5,000 dibias could not stand the via or Borogoma. But in Cabo, can match tomorrow. You could see or nothing. Starting from now, you're nobody. You're easy, you idiot. You and your useless idol. You are turned about whatever. If you don't take this challenge, you come out and take the challenge. Can you get other dibia? Gather them, all of you. I'll put you where you belong. Then what government will you do for me? If I defeat you by healing, government will put you inside 6 years inside prison. So if you're coming to take the challenge, you know it's your own risk. Because he assigned alcohol, only heal people that is sick in a ganga direct. If I not be able to heal those people that are sick, let my ministry be closed down. And if we cannot heal Agaba work, he got 6 years imprisonment because you'll be deceiving people. You must prove that your evidence. We are here to prove it. So share the telecast. This page I'll be reporting. I'm trying to do the other one, do program. They're reporting my page, so that's why I'll come back here. So share it and tag Ekehit. Tag all the native doctor, tag all the years and why. About say better Facebook, tag my Zidibia. About better Facebook now, come out and prove the power. If I do is better than God, come and prove it. He said, Yahweh is set up. This is our Mazidibia. If you don't come and take this challenge, let us not hear that Yahweh is idol. If Yahweh is idol, use your ROC, use your Amadioha, come and prove to us. Come and prove to us that somebody is powerful. Thank God. Governor of God, so all of us, both pastors will prove it. If you call yourself a prophet, you must come and prove your signs and wonder. If you call yourself as a one, come and prove life. If you can't hear somebody, don't come on Facebook, don't do it again. They will close it down. That is it. That's what ought to be. I'm not 5 people can win a number state. Let them be 5. I'm not 5 pastors, then let them be 5 pastors. I'm not pastors everywhere. That's calling a Dibia, calling a pastors. I'm not here. Remember that before I start fighting native doctor, I've been fighting pastors. 2008, I bumped into TV Joshua, Jeremiah, Buchiri, and many pastors. Why? If we can say, oh, I'm fighting. No. Sunday worship and Saturday are not the same thing. I'm doing Judaism. I used to do Sunday before. But that's not what I'm here. This is what I'm here for. This challenge, and I challenge not the pastor. This is like what Akwa did in 2002, in 2022, to gain follower. If I not the one that came out to challenge it, but today you don't believe no kid the way. Do you know how many people that have gone mad because of Fokit? Do you know how many people that have died? I've delivered more than 10,000 people over the whole world. Just that we don't put it on social media because of the people family. Our people when married to mother, now they are more kid and can't. We're just trying to, but this time, it get more kid. Remember that I said that you're not gonna get more kid on your own because when you're coming to me, you have to pay money to destroy the power. You don't come out, I can maybe watch all. I say, I'm not your prophet. If you want to see me, Saturday, live, People's Club, one-on-one. But take a hit, I'm waiting for you. This is the 2. Take the challenge. Let us go to his good square. Let me go and get paper for my governor. They will sign it. Take a hit. Take a hit. How many here? 5 people that have sickness. We give you 100% good. They can report the pastor. But I will prove it to you. You can't heal one, and I will heal 50 people. Let us go to Eagle Square. Call all the medias, call J-Pack, all those fake bloggers, blackmail, all of you come and prove to us whether the video will get power or not. This should be the opportunity. I want this video to go viral. Share it. They hear what the idiot say. Hear what the idiot say. I don't know.
The pastors. No one any of you can stand the way you can challenge it.
Okay, when any of you, that's why it's above everybody. I'm here to bring you down to nothing. Okay, I'm here to take the challenge because I know that no pastor can take the challenge. Many of them have taken pastor power from Marine Kingdom, from idol, from occultism. I am the last man stand, like I said. I'm a prophet David. One of you, but I'm here to tell you that nothing. I will bring you. This will be your end. Remember that I told you. Give me 2 years, 3 years. I will end all the okite, Pastor. What is happening today? I'm 10 to 7 Igbo. Remember, I said this is the year of Agune Chamber, Agune Chibo, the power of the Most High God. I am the prophet that came with 1.16 million angels. I've rejected billion from occultic kingdom. I've rejected billion from Marine Kingdom, Queen of Heaven. I've rejected billion from occultic and fake Reverend Father and fake pastors just to save in Igbo. I rejected America, UK, and different countries to come to save my people. But remember, they say prophet is not honored in his own land. But this challenge will make you know that we're not child spray. We came for a purpose. I told you that Onyeze will be out on the 2nd, and on 3rd he came out. And when I told you that Sarudo will be the next governor, and they won. And when I told you that Peter Obi will win the election, and if Mazin Nankali is not out, he's not going to see the Asolok. 2 of us, they're going to lead the election. Did Peter Obi win? Yes. Did they lead the election? Yes. Did this is Asolok? No. That is a prophecy by Prophet David Yahweh. I know that I told you, okay, she's in Jaka. Riv J-Pack, I fought the war. I've conquered them. You remember that after I take the battle. Then Sagobara came out to beg Ogechi to forgive me. And I told Ogechi to forget about the case. Ogechi started saying, J-Pack told me this. I said, I gave me the video say, forget J-Pack. You continue, I left her. Now. And I told her they want to bring her to Nigeria so she will not go back to America again. I pray for her that thing shouldn't come because I warned her. But after I fight the battle finish, she wanted to take the glory. Reason why you see me fighting with Ebuka Obi. When I was fighting with Okite, there are more than 5,000 native doctors faced me. Nobody, no pastor, even Chibo, there was even supporting the native doctors. And when I told that 4 instances, nowhere Ebuka Obi to be found, nowhere Bemonso to be found, nowhere anybody, nowhere Chibo, all those useless people that come on, nowhere governors, all those governors. Do you know they're working with you? J-Pack, all of them are working under Akwakoko before. I am one that conquered them before they come from Akwakoko, come and join Zion. Zion team up with them, they fought me and they hacked my page. Just to prove to you, Ebuka Obi is more powerful. He's nothing. They use me, they hack my page and use me to promote Ebuka Obi. They blackmail me, call me all sorts of names. But no matter what you do, as now, what is written is written. The hour has come. You know who is the prophet. Forget the crowd. We are not interested. We are not chasing crowd. Remember that Elijah was running, living in the cave. Elijah was even hungry. So we say, oh, you don't have money. Look at your place. It's uncompleted. Do I tell you, prophet not supposed to have money? Because prophet, the main thing, prophet, I am a warlord. I am money. The main purpose is to make people to be rich and to make the sick to be what? To be, you go and read Isaiah 61. I was sent from Isaiah 61. Spirit of God is upon me. Go into the world and heal the sick, help the prisoners, feed the poor, and help those that are broken-hearted and widows. That's why I came. This is a law for humanity. I brought by having private jet, gathering all the whole world, confusing people. No pastor can have member if he did not confuse people. It's by manipulation. Because even Jesus Christ could not have much member. He had only 12 disciples with all his power. True of us. So share the telecast. As you know, in Ekun, in Katogo, Iki, Alosa God, Equins. My wife will feel like keep us very clear. My pure house.
The pastors.
I say, I'm battling quite hot in the already.
No, any of you can stand the way can challenge heat.
But when you feel stand the challenge, heat, if you don't take this challenge, your family your family will run mad. That date in a kuna people will lose. We start for your own family. Who are you to challenge Yahweh Elohim? Who are you to challenge Chukwukadibia? Who are you to challenge your Almighty Elohim? Onye gwaga na ife arụsị bụ omenala Igbo. Onye gwaga na ife a ibu na candle. Everything si na-eme omenala. What thing concern omenala with candle? Ibukọta si okwute, ịgba ya ọbara, kee akwa red, kee nka, kwụọ oti thunder. I pray can you have a laptop well because so your laptop way is one of the video where may go because this challenge you must take it. And this challenge will be your end. So next time, before you cook again, pastor, a bottom pastor in Aguafa. Is there any pastor? No, all the pastor, nobody call them. They call themselves. I want to hear to prove it to you. And they also take it. You gotta take this challenge. My own. I never remembered you, but you make me to remember you. I want to go last year. But this time, you take it upon yourself. Don't worry. You got anything no more. Pay for all listening Nigeria. Maybe the whole power. Starting from naked heat. Complain I can't go. Whether I take the challenge, you don't take the challenge. I send my angels to go and maybe all wake heat. Starting from now. Complain I can't. You got confirm now. You kid. God drop. Joyeza, you got confirmed. You can starting from now. Add your money in Nigeria. Be between because my parents. This is the truth. After this video, I'm not making any video again. Any video I want to hear from you. You are picking a date. Then let us go to his good square to prove if Satan and the Obru Neke hit, he more people than the Yahweh. If I watch it, if I drop my Bible across the ministry, I will say I will give it the key of this people scroll up the hall to anybody that is lady that came there. I give you guys easy to do something. You know there's no God existing. I have 1.16 million angels. A man who have stood on telecast, have healed over 50,000 people on telecast. Settle men and women, make them millionaires. This is what we're talking about government now. I'm going to sign it. Okay, you're going to sign it. If you answer after this program, hit. Yeah, no, if I go and 6 years before I put a work hit. So this is what we're going to face. I got one walk, Bochaya, we are winning of those bills. 2 in a ganga. You got signing and you got signing on your own. As gonna, I'm not going to talk about your biko because this is not your appetite. I'm not going to talk about your biko. Let's go on when Joanna. Yeah, about my 20 years, I survived gunshot. I did the celebration of my 20 years. So when I see it, God look at before. So we know There is no power. You know power. Queen of heaven, Yobiko. Central kingdom, the people living on the ground, Yobiko. He destroyed his hand. Who is the mortal man that will stand the power that I have? They never born the man, the word. They never born that man on the earth. He's not existing. He should be on the next world, not this world I'm in charge. I am the spiritual warlord of Yahweh, the battle ass of the Most High, the prophet with 1.16 million AD. My problem with you, you're not making comment. Drop comment and type and share. Make sure this video go viral. Share it to all your this thing. I can't share because they put the page. Why do you think they hack my page? Why do you think that they don't want people to tag Soludo, tag everybody, tag all the tag all this and why? When it's no power, call my name and put the challenge. I give you from now till the Thursday to come in for challenge because after Friday, I won't take my program. After my program, I'm traveling. So that's today's day 2. So we have now from now to Thursday, making 6 days. So take the challenge. So we can go to Igbo school and perform it. I confirm you can take the challenge. You're not inside your church. Matthias, you're taking time. Bring your medical doctor. Let down. I will give them a water down. Don't have spiritual sickness. Thank God, this government is getting involved. Can confirm here. Again, not one now, but I'm doing a operation from fibroid. Do you know how many people they go to hospital? They go to after doing operation for fibroid to grow back. Are you talking to a kid? We have those cases, thousands of them. People go to hospital, they die. People go to hospital, the sickness has still grow up. You come and tell us that it's nothing like spiritual sickness. You come and tell us that it's nothing like witchcraft. You come and tell us that it's nothing like this. Yes, they are giving olive oil. Olive oil is part of healing. If you don't know this. Olive oil is part of healing, whether pass or not. If you see original olive oil, it's part of healing. Use it for yourself. Water is life. What I use is Dr. Chukadibia is what I'm going to use that day to heal the sick. Water is not for sale. And if you're coming on Saturday for healing, you must come on Thursday, come and register. Because if you do not register yourself, if you do not book for prayer line, you're not paying. Only what you pay, you join general partner. You're not paying for water, you're not paying for anything. You're not paying for prayer. You join general partner to support what I do. If you don't want that, go to your pastor, go to your native doctor. I don't know you. I'm only coming here to save those who want to partner with me to do what? To push the word of God forward. I have healed over many thousands, helped many men. No man have come to buy land because it's God. If he set a man worship today, I gotta nurture the church. But this time, I told you, the program we did last year, we spent millions, we didn't collect 1 naira. To tell you how wicked Igbo can be. Because we want to help you. Because we want to expose evil. And they feel it can frustrate us. No. It cannot help God. Keep your money. If you know you have gone to many places, no solution, come on Saturday. Hey, come on Thursday. This is the program called Agune Chamber, Agune Chibo, the power of the Most High. Remember that I did this poster, I announced it last year. I personally copied Solido, then I copied me. And it's part of it. That's the spirit of the dominion, the spirit of the sanitization, spirit of liberation. And he bogarded him again. So we don't want to hear that hepatitis says, no power, pastor no get power. Who told you? Who give you the power? He meant in Ayedara. Who gave you the power? He just say I don't say different praises, my give me everything, man. Only one prayer can be all the whole demon above. Eke hit. Take a challenge. After the challenge, you sign. Then I don't need what you have to come and bet him. I can help. That if I warn you in this challenge, I should go and burn the idol. You buy all in here. We are the manager. Million Buria. I join the woman. End there. Nkatog. I don't say God request because I can't have God which we don't know God. You only go to church to prove to people, okay, now go to Church of Satan, because you cannot go to true man of God without delivering you. Every Garabo church in too. As long as I'm concerned, that place you went is the people in our world. That's why I can come out and challenge pastors. Shame on all of you. And very soon, stop welcoming those native doctors in your church. They are coming to use it to influence people. On a church. If you come to my church, I'll bounce you. I'll bounce you. I'll send you outside. If you want to repent, you follow procedure. You don't come and do show in the house of God. Where camera, get video chat. If you are saying, don't that even that pastor, you're useless. You could say, was even that pastor 2 years in a year. But our church go video chat. What are you trying to prove? That no power in the house of God. This is what they do. It's so that he have came out to challenge that the pastor. Because I got a church on 31st December, Church of Satan. Church, have church in the Queens. And why don't they make yes, Church of Sunday? December time was a pagan worship. These are the idol worshippers. Ebuka church in Dotu. You have not gone to Church of God. Come to Mountain of Fire, do that. Come to the Yahweh. Can you program? You take the challenge. Forget it's all nonsense. Foreign down and break. We're talking about solution. Igbo mmadụ dị easy, but egwu agwa dị easy. Ya chọrọ ndị ga-agwọ ya. Asị mmiri ya ịkwa ya aka ọda. No, that's not. Ọgwụ ahụ ije eke ahụ iji akwa ya aka ọda. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị HIV. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị kidney problem. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị cancer. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị fibroid. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị nyule. Bịa je gwọrọ anyị name the sicknesses. Fibroid. Bịa ji ebe ndị nwere ego. Bịa ba na ati ihe akwa pasta aka ọda. No. The challenge is healing challenge, spiritual healing. If you give me power to heal, that means you can heal more than me. So you have to prove it. And I say, you can't do it. Instant healing, I wanna confirm. All of them must come with their doctor's report. We go to Regina Hospital and pick people, 50 people. We go to Ebuka Hospital and pick 50 people, making 100 people. Bring them to Ego Square. Government will be there. CNN, all the whole radio station, all the whole TV, all the whole will be there live. Yeah, Baba, all of them will be there. All those coming content creators, let them come with camera. Can confirm whether the healing is true or fake. Matthias should also come with your medical doctor. Let us give you people that have spiritual sickness. Hospital, do you know how many people that died in hospital because of spiritual sickness, because of witchcraft attack, because of cultic attack? You're talking nonsense. People pay almost 3 million, 5 million, 10 million from America to come to Nigeria to see me, to settle their problem. You're talking here. I think you're talking to one useless, one local prophet. I'm an international prophet. We have evidence. Go to my page. You see people came from America, medical doctor. You will see women from German people. You will see UK people. Uncountable. We don't come and post videos. That is not it. We're here to tell you what we can do. This is what my God. This is what I came. God told me that no power can defeat me. Any day, any native doctor defeat me. I'll stop answering Prophet David Yahweh. I dropped my Bible. Remember that I told you this in the town of Wezobi and the J-Pack and the Million Willow and the Matthias. If they defeat me, I'll break the altar. Because Matthias thought he just a empty mouth. But this time, if he defeat me, I'll drop my Bible. Means I can never be a prophet again. You know there's no God in heaven. This is why I came to liberate Igbos from a cultic kingdom, to save the mother. Remember, I cannot save everybody, but I'm here to save some people. Thank God, I preached about it. I thought about it today. My governor also, we don't have recognized. That means the word of God is like a spirit. You have entered government house. Who is a prophet? A prophet is a man who utterance. He said, the word that came out of can never be void. And the way a prophet speak, that word did not come to pass. You know, it's a fake prophet. How will you know a fake prophet? Somebody who give a prophecy that doesn't come to pass. All the prophets I gave is come to pass. God, when I tell, so who is going to be governor of Anambra State? I gave the prophecy. He became non-governor of Anambra State. When Mbaka came and said, Peter Obi cannot win the election, he's a stingy man. I tell Mbaka, you're not a prophet. And they're going to move you in Makatri. They closed the Mbaka church for 9 months. Go and check it. I told Peter Obi, if we did not fight for Mazina to come out, if he won the election, he cannot say that's all. Peter Obi won the election, they elect the election, and by Heineck, I said everything there. I gave the prophecy 9 months before the election. Not that no, everything I tell you is like that. So this okay, I told you, give me 3 years, I will close all those nonsense. Eze alamando tema, all those nonsense. And when you get the one in Igbo land, what we have here is servant of goddess. Yeah, servant of Mame Water. Oh yeah, the one Mame Water, Queen of Heaven. You can't come and create the one up and down. Yeah, the one love. So all those are things. I want to become as one. You bute zebo bacha sawachawo. Is in a beza one. Ijebedi actual bedi frustrate your husband. Is in a beza one. Ije good okay cook. Ijeme yama. Most of you go to one because of the money that is in the there. You know, maybe that, this is your day, carrying Bible, come and join this one, come and join. We are not to see. It can't influence us. It can't corrupt me. It can't bribe me. It can't. I am the prophet that the whole world tried to bribe me, but I could not give them the chance. No can try, no way. No man can try, no way. I just where are you standing? I'm standing on the mandate to destroy the kingdom of darkness and to save the Igbo. I'm one the Yahweh Chukadibia. The prophet that conquered the many kingdoms have killed over 300,000 demons. I've healed thousands of people all over the whole world on the street. I am the first prophet to start doing healing on the street. To heal inside church is easy, but to heal inside street is not easy. Can your pastor do it? Let him go on the street and heal. It's not about speaking grammar. It's not about making noise. It's about proving it. Saving one soul is important than having 1 million crowd in your church that go to a fire. Yes. Because if you have people that are very, very sick, attacked by demons, they come to church, they cannot get liberation. They will not join the kingdom of darkness. That's why some people are tired. We don't pray. After 100 days fasting and prayer, no solution. After fasting for 1 year, no solution. After all manner of things, no solution. Please, can do love and share the telecast. God bless you. Remember that Prophet David Yahweh will not worship idol. We don't worship Mama Water. We don't pray to Mary. We don't pray to white Jesus. We pray to Holy One through God. God of Bible. Yahweh Elohim. Adonai. His name in Igbo language is called Ezechukwu Okuke Abioma. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. When you come to Yoruba, it's called Oruwa. When you come to Hausa, it's called Allah. That is one true God. I say, I am a sent from above to save mankind from a occultic kingdom. But the kingdom of darkness is fighting me. They're blackmailing me to make it to look like fake. But how can kingdom divide against kingdom? It will not stand. So I'm here to prove to you, I am from the kingdom of heaven to fight the kingdom of darkness. He came. Our preaching is not of this world. That's why the world say, Bible say the world will reject its own because we are not of this world. So if I was of this world, the world will love me. So thank you very much for joining. Share the telecast. Know that this is the Zion city of the Yahweh Synagogue, the New Jerusalem, where the whole world will come and worship God, the true Zionites. Zion are people of Jew. So if you're answering Zion, you're not keeping Sabbath, you're not a Zion. What you are, you're a Zion of Satan. If you're claiming you're a synagogue, you're not keeping Sabbath, you're a synagogue of Satan. Bible backup. Revelation 3 verse 9, he said, he that claimed to be a Jew, but it's not, he's a synagogue of Satan, he's a liar, but he's a deceiver. Go and read your Bible. If you come back, another Bible backup, Exodus 20, verse 1, he said, I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of the land of Egypt. This shall have no other God before me, because I am a jealous God. Remember Sabbath day to keep it holy, not Sunday. So these are the God I serve, the God of Bible. Bible belongs to who people? The people of Jews. The Sabbath. Bible belongs to Sabbath, not Pentecost, not anything. Sabbath, they are the owner of the Bible. Jesus Christ said, I am the Lord of Sabbath. It belongs to Sabbath. Mary, you're claiming you're praying. Those you're praying nonsense. Mary belongs to Sabbath. Everything belongs to Sabbath. Romans killed over 6 million Jews to give you fake doctrine. Today you're killing yourself. I'm not against Igbo tradition. I'm not against Christianity, but I'm against evil and occultism. So as we are tackling the native doctor, governors should also look into the Christendom and check the real one and fake one. Those who claim they perform, they see many visions. They should come out on the street. Let us bring people they don't know. Let them give them vision. Let us see. Because people do interview in their church. Emeka don't come from Canada. Emeka can have a problem. They have camera there that can see camera that can record people's voice. So let them come out on the street and give the prophecy. See, they can't see nothing. He saw everything, but he didn't see that good luck came with a fake key in your church. That's why Eugene is in a prison now because of your arranged miracle. What am I supposed to say? Everything I say is fact. You can't do nothing about it. The Bible says, he that lies of Satan. So I don't want to lie. I don't want to be of Satan. Take it. Oh, the video where this is a true Zion. Zionites are the true people. You don't lie. I'm answering Zion. Don't fornicate it. Don't do anything. It's not about saying I'm virgin. Virgin by proving it. The people that serve God, nobody is virgin. Abraham that born the whole world was not a virgin. If Abraham was a virgin, he can't have you. Even Sarah take her maid and give to Abraham to sleep, and they born Ishmael. So when the Bible sometimes told, don't come here and say you're a virgin. You're a virgin does not. It can be a virgin having demons. There's one movie they call Clash of Tatars. Clash of Tatars. Guys, if you watch that Clash of Tatars, demon always come at night and carry one virgin to go and meet devil to sleep with her. So all those who know this thing, it can be sleeping with snake, it can be sleeping with dragon, it can be sleeping with different things. You're a virgin means nothing. Why will you be virgin? Virgin for what? A virgin does not qualify you to be holy. It's not only to sex, it's no holy people. There's many things that make you holy. Speaking truth is the hardest thing to do. Someone that speaks the truth to save the world, because truth is life. That's what the Bible says, he that lies of Satan, and he that speaks of the truth is of God. If you don't have the Spirit of God, you can't speak the truth. Truth is very expensive. That's why if you speak the truth, people can blackmail you and kill you. All the people that speak the truth. Okay, let me say, Gaddafi, why did they kill him? He's speaking the truth. He want the benefit of his people. And they killed him by America. Did he do robbery? No. Did he do kidnapping? No. Because he doesn't want America to come and take what belongs to the people of Libya today. Libya are suffering. Was he speaking the truth, yes or no? He said the truth. Most of the things that he said have become to pass. Where is he? He's inside prison. Because of what? Truth. Why do you think they want to kill the Yahweh? Everybody, hey, kill him. Church are fighting him. Okay, my page, I know how much giveaway I've done in my page, and they hack the page. Why did they hack it? And he say somebody that claims he's evangelist, they paid bloggers, paid the higher people to hack another person. It really say, we're not worshiping the same God. Just to prove to you. So you want to be on top. But you cannot be on top with the power of Satan. Nah. We know this. This is a war against kingdom of darkness. I came to fight and to defeat. That's why I'm God released 1.6 million angels as I'm talking. Do you know how many times they tried to arrest me? Even Jepa, when they tried to arrest me, they arrested Jepa. Ask him, ask him. They have tried many times, all of them failed. They enter problem. That's why they ran away. So don't come here and talk what you don't know. This is not ordinary page. Forget about the crowd that is there. We're not looking for crowd. Remember that all the whole pastors have done meeting, tell their member not to follow me, so they will not hear the truth. Reason why your pastor, your evangelist, your reverend father tell you not to watch the Yahweh, because he will not want you to hear the truth. Go and read your Bible, you know the truth. Follow the Yahweh, you know the truth. This is not religion, this is spirituality. I am the spiritual warlord. I have PhD in spirituality. Share the telecast. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave you here. So please let us know. I don't want to drag this video. Take a hit. We are giving from now to Tuesday to give us the date. From now to Tuesday. Today make it second days. So today is second day. So from now to Tuesday, you should pick a date. So God bless you. Shalom. Come and play a hit us. No more. Get another 4 deep. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, God bless you, my people. Shalom. Let me play my song to entertain you. So, thank you very much. And I want to pray for everybody that will share this telecast. May Almighty Elohim protect you and cover you. And I want to tell all my sons and daughters, if you know the altar have blessed you, next month this is the first time where I say make a donation. I want to buy land in Anambra State. This is why I was sent. This is the reason for those battle. Where the whole world will come and worship Elohim. We're building free hospital. We're building free school. We're building free prayer mountain. Reason for this hospital, I have own IRT and a hospital. I will come, if it's a spiritual something, I will come and pray for the person. If it's a physical something, doctors will treat it. Remember, before you come to me, that means your sickness have gone to hospital, no solution. So if hospital can cure your sickness, no need coming to me. Like I have a girl now that I have done fibroid. I have the fibroid grow again. He says she's afraid that if you do the fibroid, he may die. Now she called me, her brother coming from South Africa, and now you will see her on Saturday. I told her to come on Saturday. She called me. And you will see her when you go to hospital, another operation. I said, okay, on Saturday. If it's a spiritual son, if I pray for her, she'll be okay. I have people that do fibroid operation that even went to Dubai. After doing the fibroid, it still grow back. So forget about those one Matthias is showing you fibroid. If the thing can grow back, it will not one. Don't worry, this one will go video and show you. People that don't fibroid after many years, the thing can grow back. Or if it's caused by demon, you have to destroy that root. What is causing it? Some fibroid are caused by demonic marine kingdom. Some fibroid are caused by spiritual husband. Some fibroid are caused from snake. Different things. We can show you. There's a way they are delivered from fibroid that demon came to carry the property before the fibroid go. That one have multiple fibroid. This I'm telling you out of experience. I'm not telling you for you to like me. I'm telling you. Well, and if you have fibroid, please pray. Many people going to do fibroid operation, they die from there. That is it. This guy say in leg begin to swell up. All of it begin to swell up. And now take all those have something, thing begin to go down. She called me this evening. Let me see if I have the voice note. I'll pray for you. So guys, we are here making mouth. Those people that died in the hospital because of small, there are billions. Witchcraft had killed more people than anything you can think of. You think we are here to entertain them? My 3 brothers are victim to it. We are not here to take. We are here to save life. So I put up by making noise on this one. We are here to save life.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay. Okay, this is a different person.
Sir.
Let me see if I can see that the fibroid on. I don't know the name. Let me see if I can see it. I'll pray for you. Just wait. Where is this guy, man? You right here yourself. So that nigga no does not guarantee that you'll be healed. We know people that go to hospital, they give her injection, the sickness will become worse. So don't come here and think you just don't know goes go, it's okay. No. There are some sicknesses hospital cannot cure. You need to pray. You need to pray. Why are you going to hospital? You need to also pray to be okay. That is it. I'm not saying you should not go to hospital. We are building hospital. We're in Lagos before, we have hospital where people have children. That's what we were before. So we know the what of the hospital can do. I can't find the name. I don't even know where the thing is. You know those things, huh? You know, this I receive a lot of messages. I don't even know the name. I don't send names. That is it. I could have prayed for you now. He had it for the horse's mouth. We are just coming to make mouth. I say only for you, you know. Say people go to hospital, no solution. You go to hospital. If you go to hospital, no solution. It's a spiritual something. Look for solution.
Sir, I'm so disappointed.
So disappointed. You're calling me to come and solve your problem without saying anything. Come to for one-on-one. You're in your place. I should solve your problem. You demand. Am I you, my church member? If you want me to solve your problem, I have to be a partner. You pay for Salaka. That is the rules. Because I know after doing the prayer, I will not see you. I don't know you. If you don't want to pay anything, come to People's Club on Saturday. I'll pray for you. But if you're sick, you must be a partner. Reason why you have to register your documents to show that this is what is wrong with me. You come and do that on Thursday. Saturday, we'll give you a prayer you're going to do before the healing on Saturday. If you don't follow that procedure, that means you have to be another day. I'm saying this thing, and so you don't say, I come from far place. If you come from far place, you have to wait. You pay for hotel. So instead of avoid those things, send somebody to come and register your sickness on Thursday, then Saturday, come with. And if you're coming for healing, make sure you come with somebody, because if you come alone, I won't pray for you. Come with somebody. But if the sickness is too down, you're too down, stay in the hospital, let somebody come with your picture. We'll have testimony like that. If it's where I can go to the place to pray for you, fine. If I cannot go, I'll pray on the picture and you'll be okay. So this is it. So you don't go and while you're going on the road, you go and die inside the car. Don't do that. Spiritual something, I can be anywhere to command it. If I can be here, he HIV, he cancer, he different sickness. They don't come to Nigeria. I don't even see them today. So I'm not even do their testimony. But I'm telling you this time, if you know you cannot give your testimony, you're not proud of me, stop following me. This is 2025. I know they look for members. I look for people that are ready to work for God. 50 men and 50 women are ready to serve God. That's people who want now. Maybe you say get crowd. Crowd wait. Who crowd help? They find something. I can't even find it. Where's this guy coming? So I'm disappointed. He's disappointed as what? You just want me to come and solve your problem. Who are you? Why do you think I will? I think I don't have things and day. You just come nowhere because I pick your call. Can you call your pastor for fun? You don't know your pastor. Come on, get away from here. Am I your pastor? So you expect if you just call me and I call you, I don't get what I do. So now, come on for here. There's always procedure in everything you do. If you want to use card, you go and buy card, you load it on your phone, you start making call. You don't just say NTN, card will appear. You know money used to buy the card. If my card finish here now, this network go off. So no one only come they do service now. Which kind movie that? You just coming from nowhere. I don't know you. You come here, give me attention. Now I tell you what you're going to do. You're telling me, so you expect you are just going to solve your problem, you go for what? Come and buy one plot of land that will solve the problem now. Come to Anambra State and buy one land and don't give me 1 naira. The place I'm using for people's school, I'm not paying for it. No, you come and do prayer and free and go. The place, the hall, are we not paying for it? So everything is just free. Last year we spent $1 million free. When I know most of the people that will pray for, they don't even see, nobody's come and show appreciation. Yeah, but I can't help God. This is work I was sent to do. So I'm not doing it for you to come and help me. But I'm telling you the procedure you go follow. If you don't want to follow the procedure, that means you're enemy of my God. So no need of wasting my time on you. I don't do that. I don't tell everybody where they follow me. If you know say you don't love me, stop following. Stop. Don't follow me. I am a man with power, not the beg. Power control everything. Now person who don't get power, they beg members. When I go beg, when I have solution. I am the solution prophet. With 1.60 million angel, not be to come on Facebook, make noise. Come they give prophecy. They call people, they tell them say somebody go die for their family. Is that prophecy? That's not prophecy, that's manipulation. What you call Emeka now? There's millions of people that answer Emeka. One person must speak. Say I am the one. He claims say you don't give prophecy. Tell us what will happen tomorrow. Call the person name. Give us. The same person say Wazirike will do this. Wazirike now come and say it's okay. He said no be that Wazirike. If that Wazirike. But if Wazirike was sick, he would say in Afchancha, in a Kuchagen. Okay, I don't see the thing. I just want to pray this very much. I pray this.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Happy Christmas. So, since the same part of Nigeria, I'm not feeling okay.
This is not the first note. Let us read the first note. Saturday we see the girl. Except you not come. But when you come, you go for a procedure. After that, you call us because our office will open on Thursday. So you have to go and register. So if you know you're sick, you want to come, you will register on Thursday. You register on Thursday. They will give you prayer you're going to make. The Bible verses against to prepare you for Saturday healing. After that Saturday, you'll be okay. So it's not a manipulation. It's not a noise. This is what I've been doing for this is 5 years. So people have been healed with different sicknesses, HIV, cancer, fibroid, it's a different kind of sickness. Men have become not only that if your things are not working for you, come also book for one-on-one. One-on-one is different from coming to pray. That one, the one-on-one is I'll give you water. You have the water. My water is not for sale. If you're not supporting what I'm doing, I can't give you my gift. I only give my gift to those who want to support. The reason I'm giving you the water is not because you want to join partner. Why? So you can make it. When you make it, you come and support us. People that are giving oil, I give water. Most of them have become millionaires, billionaires. I'm not seeing them today. And they're not supposed to toss at the byland. And they're supposed to say, Prophet, what do we need? How do we going to do? But they're waiting for me to. So all those ones have ended last year. This is a new page. This is 2025. This 2025 now, we must build the house of God. Because if occultic people can contribute billion and give to their church of Satan, why the children of God know? Okay, are we not on the same platform? I want to do program in Anambra State. I did not collect 1 naira. And nobody offered me 1 land. Then somebody went to do program in Ngopara, collect almost 3 billion. How wouldn't they have money to progress? And how do you think I will survive? No, check it. I did a program, I spent millions, I didn't collect 1 naira. And nobody come to show appreciation for all those people I praise from the East. Nobody can say, a prophet, try for me, take 10,000. Anybody give anything? No. We hear person, Brian, we hear different sickness. And before I go, this is, how many months I spent in Lagos? 4 months or 5 months? 4 months. I spent 5 months, come back. None of those people came back and do. It's only one girl that come and do testimony. Yori. The only one person that did testimony, I was around that period before I travel. Other ones didn't come. Because I know they have to pass. Sunday hide the safe. So this time I don't need it. If you need healing, you follow the procedure. If you don't want to go to your pastor, I will not lay my hand on anyone that is not registered. You must register. I want to tell you, laying my hand on you is to save your problem. I will not do it. I know they do for. I don't know so they wicked. So I can't waste my energy. So if you want deliverance, you register for deliverance. We'll give you water. I pray for you. I cancel you. Then God bless you. You come and do testimony. If you don't want to do that, don't come. Please. This is not, we're not looking for crowd. We are looking for people that will build the mountain Zion, city of the Yahweh synagogue. You don't tell now. You see the one where they build. Makes my money build all those one where they see. That one video, my money there, they are not, but I don't ask for donation. The one in Oka, I spent close to 20 million. That play later 4. Maybe today, that was in 2016. 20, I went to Lagos. I said, some few, everything finished. I lose it. God said, leave it. That he's going to use men and women. That's why he said, do partner. Anybody who don't want to join partner, do not pray for him. So I'm going to take the word that God has told me. I did a lot of mistake last year. I did a pray for a lot of, I just did it to help. But this time I found out that people don't like me. And no matter what you do, people will never love you. Even if you work best. As long as you're not that person they choose. You know be that pastor, not be that prophet, not be the evangelist. And this one, it is like an doctor. But you want to call me for back, collect blessing. You want to call me from brass and collect blessing. I don't want people to. If you're not proud of me, why would you? Okay, I'm working for you. I'm worshiping Satan. Why do you want the power of Satan? I'm worshiping. Why do you want the power of Satan? Are you not a thief? Are you not an idiot? It's an occultic. You still call the occultic. You lie. You never called him a phone. But all those days, when they have problems, they come to us. Not a lot of pastors. They come to me. They want to live talk. But this time, with the prayer, AK hit. Take challenge. We go confirm. I call come and make our boss. Take challenge. Ezobi send me beats. What it be name? Million will send me spiritual poison. Ebuka Obi send me attack. Baka send me disgrace shit. All of them work. I'm saying it on air. I'm here to tell you this is the truth. I know they just come out. In fact, even the land I want to buy, and I've checked land, I've seen it. After this program, I'm traveling. Go back to Lagos. So if the partners cannot provide money to, nobody have given me money for land. Nobody have donated anything for land. Now for next month, we'll start. What did they do now? Salaka, we should have done. This place where would they use now? Partner pay for land. From that partner where they collect, I use pay for this hall. Where is so where would they use now? I said 1 or 2 people will say, if I say we're gonna support, they will just support. This year for the thing where we go, how much you pay for hospital? Almost 2 million. How much how much food I don't spend? Why I'm saying this thing, it look like nobody don't give me $1 million why I keep it. If you don't give me $1 million for land, come out. Nobody. But I go buy her. If I finish, they don't want I'll go and do my business. If I get money, I'll go buy 1 plot. When you come, if you want special something, I'll charge you. Don't come and tell me I'm charging for money. You're charging for money. Come and buy land now. You're lonely. Thank God I haven't charged money. If not, so how I go take they pay for those things? I pay for all in Lagos, 2 places. I pay for Anambra State. It's not from that partner. For that small partner, 100,000, 200,000, and they would pay for millions. Plus my own money. This last year, I'm not gonna lie. I went to my account, I collected how many $1,000 that's in my account I saved. I used it in Igbo land. That's why as I go back to Lagos, I said, I don't want to see anybody. I was very angry. After all the whole miracle, what we do, pray for people. I went to collect almost how many $1,000 in my account. Money that I saved, I want to use to go to US last 2 years. I didn't go again. I went to collect that one. I changed it at a rate of 160. Almost how many million I use it. But again, I go kill myself. This time, I'm not ready for that. I've done what I can do. This is my 20-year celebration. So this one I'm doing nice. I'm using it. I know they do and say I want to make money. I know they do and say I want to give me nothing. If not one person come, there will be food. They eat, you go. That is it's like I'm doing. But if you come for healing, it's free. You're not paying. You have to register. That is it. That's what I asked you. You're not paying nothing. Even if you don't want to be healing, come and eat, come and drink. There will be food that day. There will be, to conclude what I want to do for myself now. You can't help me, and you can't help God. Help yourself. So that's it. Buying land, you're not helping me. If my God will bless you, if you don't buy the land, God will collect the blessing and give it to people that are ready to do it. I'm not God, I'm not the one, I'm working, I'm just a messenger. And I can't help God. So now God need land for people to come. So it'll be easy for them. People's Club now, July. Now July will go there. July, the money will expire. Get my phone, April, June, July, the money will expire. If I see money, I pay for my own business. If I don't want, I will say, no, anybody call me for phone, I say, go and bring money. So some amount, you know, get that off my phone. That is it. I can't give myself. That is it. I can't go and carry workers to come out. The people that are going to work for me, I will pay them. Even whether the people come, people don't come, whether people bring money, people, I will use my own money to settle them. You see, the time we do program last time, I come on money, I paid everybody. Nobody come out on first say, I work for you, finish. We'll go for you, we'll do show for you, finish. You know, I paid the people that have to pray again. I paid people that pray instrument. I paid all the artists. I paid everybody. I was them in a hotel. I stayed in a hotel for 3 months, was paying for it. Before we can get a press. Yeah, now I have a press now in the East. Then I don't have a press in Onitsha. I have in my village. To get house in Onitsha was it take us many this thing to even get press where my work crew they stay. I just came back and I have a press. Before a hotel I will go lodge every day. Check out 10,000 times a month. How much? No be 3 million naira. A month. Check 3 months. No be 9 million. The one person will check other people. Let's say I'm using standard rooms now. They're paying 30,000 naira. In a month it's 3 million naira. So if for that 3 months I spend like 9 million naira, only me talk about other people. And that's it. You say, well, money. How much is the money? How much is the money? The hotel now, they go, a cheaper hotel now I can get is 10,000 hotel, you know, if you stay there. Mosquito will buy person. Standard hotel now on the channel is almost 40, 50,000. Go ask people. You go task about the same thing. Any hotel where you say you see 20,000, 10,000 are useless hotel. Now, shower hotel, no better hotel. You want to go standard hotel now is from 50 to 80K, one something. But because it's work of God. So that's why I thought to maybe sure have a place that's home here, not the hotel. My house. Where they there, my crew. So if people come, maybe say they work for me, they go feed there, they don't feed the hotel. Now what you will be able to do last year. That's why the money was so all this thing was not part of the budget. I price I could stay like maybe like 1 week, go back, but I end up spending 3 months. So thank you very much. And some people supported also. So thank all the people that like Shika give us something. Then my daughter from London support. Then Victor from Angola. Victor was attacked. He almost died. He went to all the whole native doctor in Anambra State, no solution. Went to many places and one that saved him. The testimony is not here. The testimony is not here. I will never give you the testimony. He supported us. God bless you, all of you. All. Thank you very much for watching. I still remain Prophet David Yahweh Chukalibi. I can job for Chuku 1 of Igbo land. Love you all. Shalom.